In the forests, pastures, and rural areas of Colombia lives a bird that seems invisible during the day. Nyctibius griseus, known as the common wall stag, is a master of camouflage. During the day, it remains motionless, perched on logs or posts, adopting a rigid posture that makes it look like just another branch on the tree. Its colors and patterns perfectly mimic the bark, a key strategy for avoiding predators. At night, it becomes active and feeds on flying insects, helping to regulate their populations and maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Common Potoo reminds us that Colombia's biodiversity is as surprising as it is silent, and that even in the invisible plays a fundamental role in nature.